Hello friends, on this video how you can set up a face lock on your OPPO mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, you have to move on setting. Then from here you don't know which option you have to tap on it. Then friends, here just click on the search setting. After that, from here you can search for the face lock. Okay, and here's the add face option. Just tap on second option, add face. Then from here it's the add face. Okay, to set up your face lock, and click on add face. Then from here it says set a lock screen password in case face unlock cannot be used. So first of all you have to use your face lock, screen lock, so that if you are unable to use your face lock, then your screen lock will be important. Okay, useful. Just tap on continue. Then from here you can see enter new password. You can type your password and you have to type in 2 times. Okay, click on use a different password, and after that here it says pattern 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, password with 4 to 16 alphanumerical character. So I select the first option, pattern. Then I just draw the pattern. Okay, remember I draw like this, then again I redraw my pattern. Okay, the same thing. Okay, just to redraw. Then here just tap on continue and scan your face upward, downward, left, right. Okay, let's scan. So friends, here you can see I have done to set up my face lock. If you are finished to set up, then you can easily set up like this. So friends, this is how to set up your face lock. But you don't know how to delete your face lock, then friends, just move one face. Then after that, from here confirm your password, and here you can see this delete icon. If you want to unlock, okay, if you want to unlock your face lock, then this is how you just tap on delete, then click on delete. Your face lock will be deleted. Okay, it's very easy to set up and to delete your face lock options. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.